Hey traders, it's Danielle. Welcome to the Simpler Options free video for the night of November 9th, 2018. So today we're going to be talking about kind of a counter trend short that I have going on in XLF. So of course, for those of you who know me, know that I always like to look at the overall index or sector first and then narrow that down to a trade that I want to take. So in looking at the S&Ps, NASDAQ as a whole, honestly, most everything is pretty overbought here, but one notable area to look at is going to be the financial sector. So why the financial sector? Well, number one, when I'm looking for a short, I want to look at something that is already weak, which financials are. And then with the rally that we had in the market this week, that has set us up a couple different spots where we can then get short because we've rallied back up into resistance, giving us a good area to put some shorts on. So within financials, what do I like to trade? Well, typically one of the top weighted products, but really what I like to do is look for a squeeze. So within those top 10 weighted products within the financials, the one that comes up is going to be Wells Fargo. Why Wells Fargo? Because it has rallied directly into resistance and it has a squeeze, setting us up for a perfect short. So let's go ahead and look at the charts.
All right, so looking at the charts here, I mean, you can see obviously this is kind of a sloppy chart overall. Not the best trend, but I would say that it's in an overall downtrend, and this was a counter trend rally from the lows. So what do we do with it here? Well, if you look back at the previous rally swings, here, this one was broken. You have some smaller ones in here. But from this low, symmetry from this rally swing right there overlaps perfectly with that 50 period simple and the 100 simple. So I think that's a pretty key area of resistance right there. And also you're getting some ready aim fire sell signals. You're getting some VZO overbought signals. So, I mean, all in all, this to me looks like a short, especially if you come down to a lower time frame. You can see the clear RAF sell there. You can see the moving average cross there. And so I think that financials are about to make a leg lower. Now, what are we going to do with it? Well, I mean, you could come in here and buy some puts or like a put butterfly on XLF. But I kind of prefer to trade one of the actual stocks. So, I mean, if you want to trade this, I would look for at least 26 or 25.55 around there. But I think that the better one is going to be Wells Fargo. So why this one? Well, because we have squeezes on multiple time frames. We got a 30-minute squeeze. We got a 195. We got a daily squeeze, and we got a very clear sell signal right there. So all in all, I'm looking for Wells Fargo to hit about $48. I think it's a great short off of the 50 period simple right here. I think it's in a great spot to short it. I think there's resistance at 51.62, and the way that I would trade it would be come out here and I'd buy some, and this is cheap too. I mean, what more could you want? So buy some of these guys right here, maybe these 54s or the 55s. It'll cost you a little over $2. So all in all, that looks good. And I think that we can look for financials to make the next leg lower.
All right, so that's it for the trade. Also, for those of you who are in or near Las Vegas, John, Carolyn, and I are all going to be presenting at the Traders Expo this week. Additionally, John's presentation as well as mine is going to be available for a live stream option. So for those of you who aren't going to be there, make sure you go to the Traders Expo site, check it out because you can live stream our talks. Also, just wanted to follow up and say, for those of you who are members, thank you so much. We appreciate you. And for those of you who are not members yet, I would love if you would go and check out Simpler Foundation. So we have a new site specifically for folks who can't really trade a whole lot, maybe you just want a couple different trade ideas per week, but you're not really ready to join the options room, but you really want a start to finish options education. You can find that within Simpler Foundation. So make sure you go to www.simplertrading.com/join and check out Foundation, and you'll get more videos from me. So thank you very much. Hope you have an excellent rest of your weekend and good trading.